Good morning, student. Today is our topic, that is chart in Excel. A chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. It make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trend among the value in a table. Suppose we have any of the value and we have to make comparison among these values, then we use the chart in MS Excel. Component of a chart title, x-axis, y-axis, plot area, data series, data label, grid line, legend and chart area. All these are the component of a chart. Here we can see a chart is represented. Here sale of a bicycle are represent the chart title. Plot area is a blank area where a chart is drawn, and here the x-axis where the model like classic, gear, hiking, advanced are display. X-axis are the horizontal bar and y-axis are the vertical bar where the prices per bicycle are shown. Here the plot area are the blank area. Data series are a set of a value. Data label are classic, gear, hiking, advanced. All these are the data label. The last one is a legend, bicycle sold and price per bicycle. These all are the legend. Legend is a key which show the meaning of symbol and the color used in a chart. Here for creating a chart, how we can do this? Select the range of a cell, suppose A1 to C5, then click on the chart from a chart group. Click on a column chart from a chart group. Under the insert tab we can draw any of the chart. For doing the practical, we will move on the, this is our screen. Here we can see, firstly I move to MS Excel for doing this. Suppose I'm enter some of the data. Suppose I am writing here roll number, next one is our name, next one is the marks. In roll number I am enter roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In name I am enter Adil, Naveen, Gaurav and Nitish and Megha. I am enter some of the name of the students and I will provide the marks 45, 56, 78, 98, 56 and 53. ठीक है. Firstly, for drawing any of the chart, I will select some of the range as shown in the book. The range is selected from A1 to C5 and here I am selecting the range from A1 to C6. This is our cell, cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 and so on. The numbering of this cell is A1, this is B1 and this is C1. These name, roll number, marks, all these are the headings, or we can say that these all are the fields. And 1 Adil and 45, this represent a row, that is the horizontal representation of a data. And here the roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these all are our the column. Here now I am select some of the range from A1 to C6. After selecting this range, I am click on the insert tab. Here multiple options regarding the charts are available. Column, line, pie, bar chart, column, line, pie, bar chart, area, scattered and other chart. It depends upon our choice what type of chart I am choosing. Suppose by clicking on the column, here I am selecting 2D chart. Then the 2D charts, these are represented here. Here the marks as a chart title are represented. Clear? And if I am selecting in a column chart, again I am selecting, instead of 2D I am selecting 3D chart, then it converted it in the form of this. Again if I am choose cone chart, then it also converted in a cone form. In the same manner, if I'm selecting the line chart, then its line are to be implemented. Line charts, here the line chart are implemented. Next is our pie chart. By clicking on the pie chart, I'm selecting 2D pie chart. This is our pie chart. Next is our bar chart. Here 2D bar, this represent the data. If I'm selecting 3D bar, it represent the data like this. If I'm selecting the pyramid, then it represent the data as in the form of this. All the option existing here, we can choose any of them depending upon our condition. Next one is our area chart. Click on the 2D area, it represents the data in the form of this. If I'm click on 3D area, then it represent the chart in the form of 3D area. The last one is our scatter chart. Here I can choose the scatter, this one. If I'm choosing this one scatter chart, and if I'm choosing this one scatter chart, these all are the chart types. Next is our change chart type. Change chart type. Here select the chart, click change chart type command from type group under the design tab. Chart type. Here firstly I am click on select the chart and select this of the chart. Click okay, this of the chart, and click change chart type command from type group under the design tab. Under the design tab, if I am click here, suppose this one is in a blue color and I am providing any of the color, here the design of chart is changed. If I am selecting this, then the chart become red form. If I am selecting this in a green, if I am selecting this in the blue, again this. I can choose whatever I wish. In the same manner, if I am doing in the column chart, I will take 2D, then this is in the orange color, and same manner if I am moving in the design tab, I am selecting any of the color, red color, green color, purple, depend upon our choice. In this manner we will change our chart type.